In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Doctor Strange shield effect here in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Media tab. As you can see, I've imported my video clip, but you can import any images, audios, or videos you want to use. Now, let's start editing by dragging the video on the timeline. Then, let's move to the Elements tab and search Superheroes. I'll use this one and drag it onto the second track to make our character more powerful. Don't forget that here you can search for more effects related to your video. Once that, I'll duplicate the element and paste it onto the third track. Then, I'll double-click on it and click on the Flip option. I made this because I want to make my effect bigger than it is as you see. Then, go back again to the Elements tab, but this time, let's start doing the awesome thing. For me, I'll use this shield effect and drag it onto the fourth track. Now, I'll double-click on it and adjust the position on the preview window accordingly. Once you are ready, let's duplicate the clip because I'll track the element I've selected for my clip. Then, I'll double-click on it to enable the motion tracking option, and then I'll hide this clip that I duplicated in order to see the motion track icon more clearly in the preview window. I'll start dragging the tracker on the exact part of the video I want it, as I'm doing now. And then I'll click on the Start Tracking option, and once it's ready, let's select the element you want to track on it, as I'm doing now. Then, let's repeat the same process, and feel free to use any other part of the video. For me, I'll work with the other hand, and I'll do the same steps I've done previously to track it. Then, I'll unhide the clip and activate the Start Tracking option to make it work, and you'll see the result in the preview window. And there you have it. A creative superhero video with a shield effect is done. If you would like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.